Yeah, you know. Okay, so today we're going to do half and half. We're going to smash banana and an orange, mix it in a little bowl, microwave it, feed it to that little dog over there. Okay, so first we're going to mash this. I'm not sure. Smash that really quick. Oh, that's really nasty. Okay, gonna take that out. Oh, God. It looks like Squidward. Okay, there. So smash it up a little bit. Pick it up. Smash it a little bit more. It's really gross. Okay, now we're gonna take this orange. Well, I better squeeze some of the juice in there first. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Gonna mix some orange in there. If I can figure out how to get this out. Okay, that's good. Let me wash my hands really quick. Where's the towel? Sorry, I'm homeschooled. Okay, so we're gonna put this in for what? 15 seconds. Seen that, right? Yeah. We're gonna give it to our puppies. Usually we eat all of our stuff, but I think this may be toxic. Okay. It's done. Here, Jersey. Oh, it's warm. Okay, right. Let's go over here.
Bon appetit.
Are you gonna eat it? Eat it!
She doesn't like it.
She won't even lick it. Let's find Bella. We gotta find our other dog. Where is she? She okay? Oh, crap. Again. Hold on, I'm gonna find her. Bella! Did you stop it?
Just finish.
Okay, so, anyways.
The dog didn't like it. Our friends.
Okay, so our dog didn't eat it. Fortunately, because she's a little... Nope, nope, nope. It's a little POS. Okay, well, have your friends watch. Now our friends watch, and goodbye!
4 minutes and 16 seconds.